Okay, as you can see, this 12-volt battery that I built is the size of my hand, the world's smallest do-it-yourself compact battery system. You can hook up any device that use a AC adapter up to 30 watt of power. Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipski, your host. Today I'll be showing you how to build a 12-volt power pack system that can be recharged with a solar panel. Now, if you have a 12-volt battery, you can do that directly. But for me, I didn't want to be bothered to buy a 12-volt battery because it cost me at least 40 bucks. So I decided, well, what can I do then? Well, I saw this on sale. This is a spotlight, Motor Massive spotlight. It's a 6-volt, so I end up getting two. It's only about 10 bucks including tax, so it's cost me two of these, cost me 20 bucks. And what if I could do is I could run in series, then I'll make it 12 volt, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder in this inverter. This is a 30 watt inverter with a USB and a AC plug, so it can power my tablet as well as my other devices, including an LED light bulb. Okay. So many applications, as long as it doesn't run over 30 watt of power, we'll be fine. Okay, so I'll show you how to get started. Okay, so to get started, make sure you get a glue gun, a hot glue gun, and you need a soldering kit. Okay, we're gonna use those two to put it all together. And of course, we're gonna need to disassemble the 6-volt battery using screwdriver, and that's about it. When you take it apart, you take out the battery. Make sure to keep all the electronic parts because you can reuse it for other things as well. Okay, so we need two of these, and we'll be able to put it together. All right, and of course, I forgot about the inverter. You're gonna need to get those. This one was on sale also for around less than 10 bucks. Okay, it's a 30 watt one. So we'll make a very compact battery power system that's 12 volt. Okay, and it can be charged with solar panel. Okay, the first thing we want to do is unscrew all the screw in the spotlight, okay, to get access to the battery. Okay, so I managed to get 4 screws out from here, 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 and here. And now there's actually 2 more screws. You have to remove this plastic holder, and there's 2 more screws here. We're going to remove that as well. Okay, and then we'll be able to open this up. Okay, so I was managed to take it apart. There we go. You can see the battery in here. It's a 6-volt battery. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna just pull it out. Now you gotta make sure that you don't want to ruin any of the electronics, so you can keep that for later use. Like especially this part here. This is the battery charger, right? Using AC adapter. I want to keep that so I can charge this battery. So it's not only be able to charge through solar power, it can also be charged through the regular AC adapter. Okay, we're going to be able to do that. Make sure you label everything when you take it apart so you won't forget. So as you can see, battery connector. When I take it apart, I make sure that I know this is the wire for the battery. Okay, so I got one battery out. Now I'm going to do the second one. I'm going to take the battery out of there and then take its component and save it for later, for other projects. Okay, so we're going to take the other battery out. Okay, as you can see, it weighs about 714 grams. Okay, together weighs over, if I had 2 of them, it weigh over 1.4 kilograms, or close to 3 pounds. Okay, and it's quite compact. Once I put it together, it may weigh close to 4 pounds, and that would be a device I want to be carrying around in my knapsack because it's able to be charged with the solar panels, and it will be able to charge my cell phone, my GPS system, and my tablet. So those are the most essential electronics I would need to carry around if I had to. And then with the solar power charging, this will last me for months, maybe even years. Okay, as you can see, I have the two battery, the 6-volt, two of them. I'm gonna hot glue them like this, and I'm gonna put them in series, so positive to negative, and these two terminal, positive and negative, we're gonna hook it up to my inverter, the 30-watt inverter, through this car adapter, right? And then I'm gonna hot glue that here, and now we are able to access the AC adapter connector and the USB connector as well. So you can charge both my tablet, my cell phone, any devices that use USB and AC plug that only requires less than 30 watt of power. Okay, so I'm just testing it out. I put a wire between the positive and negative terminal, right? And then what I'm going to do is to test the voltage. It should be 12 unless it's not fully charged. Okay, let's do that. I have a multi-volt meter. Okay, so this is connected in series, is providing 12.9 volt. Okay, so before I wire everything up permanently, I need to test out whether this inverter will work. The positive on the nose right here, and perfect, excelente, works fine. Okay, ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna also install this electrical switcher. It's cost me only $1.50, and I'm gonna put it on the side. It looks ugly, but it works. It's cheap, convenient, and looks kind of retro, I call it. Yeah. Okay, what we're gonna do is hot glue now. There we go. Solid as a rock. Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna hot glue the inverter. Okay, test it one more time. Always make sure you get it right. Yep, it's working. Okay. Now, of course, all I have to do is place one of the wire here and another wire going towards that one, so that I can have a switch I can turn off and on. Okay, test it one more time. I haven't soldered anything yet, but just to make sure it works. Turn on. There we go. Turn off. Now where's my light? Just to test it one more time, because I don't want to make anything permanent until I know for sure it works. Connect my LED light bulb. It's an AC powered, but because my battery has this inverter, 30-watt inverter, and this is only running at 1.5 watt. Let's see if it works. Woohoo! Yeah! Cool! Great. So let's solder it all together. Okay, so the only thing about this compact battery system 12 volt is that you have to charge individual battery, the 6 volt, on its own. So 6 volt here and 6 volt here. Okay, you cannot charge both because the battery charger that comes with it is actually for 6 volts. So it's going to charge one at a time. So I'm going to charge 6 volt here. When it's complete, it will turn from red to green, and I switch over to this one and I'll charge that one. It'll go from red to green, and that's about it. Okay, as you can see, this 12 volt battery that I built is the size of my hand, the world's smallest do-it-yourself compact battery system. You can hook up any device that use a AC adapter up to 30 watt of power. It can use, like for example, this is a 7 watt compact fluorescent light bulb connected to the night light. Now you can check the upper right hand corner on how to build one of these. Very easy. Just need the night light and a compact or LED light that fits into here. Okay, pretty bright. So there you have the AC adapter and the USB connected to a 6 volt, two of them in series, so it's 12 volt battery, and that's about it. And it has a main switcher to turn off the connection between the battery to the inverter, so you don't drain the battery. Pretty cool.